I wanted to announce the video that I have coming out today at 5 o'clock about this little gizmo right here. I put that circuit that we worked on last week that was on a full breadboard, and I put it on a mini breadboard right here. So that video is coming out at 5 o'clock. So that's what my live stream was about, and YouTube just messed it up. I wanted to try out their new feature, and I tried it twice, once around 12 o'clock and once about 20 after 1, and I waited 15 minutes and 18 minutes and nothing happened. So here's some of the video that I recorded of me waiting for the live stream to go live, if that makes any sense. A video of the video. But anyway, it shows up dark, but this is what I was working on. This is what's coming out this afternoon and Saturday. This is what you're going to see for Saturday. I'm going to put it on a printed circuit board, and you'll see me telling you that I'm going to put it on a printed circuit board in the video that comes out at 5 o'clock. But anyway, I have it ready. As soon as I'm finished with this stuff and I get it uploaded, I'm going to be soldering this so we could have it out on Saturday, so you could see what I did and how you could put it on a circuit board. And I rearranged some of the resistors and the jumpers on there. I didn't put any of the jumpers on there. I'll do that when I'm soldering it. But I made some room for the mounting holes on each side, so it's a little bit different than what you'll see on this video here, but not very much different. The circuit's the same. I just moved the jumpers and the resistors so it wouldn't interfere with the mounting holes on the printed circuit board. So let's get going with that right now, so we could see how bored I was waiting. Well, in an attempt to do a live stream on the new version of YouTube's Going Live, there it is, that's what I have right here, that's the screen. It says Going Live. It's been doing that for over 10 minutes now, and I'm doing a speed test over here. I did one already, and this is my second speed test, so I know my connection isn't that bad. It's 180 and 2410, so I'm still waiting. After it's been at least 10 minutes. I know I took a picture at 12 minutes after I got bored. It's 12:22 right now. So this is YouTube's live. Well, let me get this screen right here. New version of Live without OBS or Wirecast or XSplit. You could stream without any of those other applications. You could do it directly from YouTube, but there must be a lot of people doing it now, because now it's about 12, 13 minutes that I've been waiting right here. Going live, going live, going live. When is it gonna go live? My goodness. And I wrote a little note up there. Oh, no, I can't hold on to this because I don't have my holder right here, but right there. Testing out the new stuff. But I can't test it out if it ain't gonna go live for me. So I'm just sitting here waiting and waiting and waiting, and I'm probably just going to go. It's 12:23 right now. It's almost 15 minutes that I've been waiting, and it's saying going live. And all I have is this right here. Let me show you what I got up here on the screen. There's my two screens. That's still saying going live right there. And see how this says, you could read this. Big toys. Well, I guess you can read it. It looks backwards to me, but whenever it comes up, it shows out right. Okay, so that does the same thing. But anyway, it's still not going live. I'm waiting and waiting. YouTube, here it is.